fighting robots are extremely dangerous machines. So one of the number one important safety factors is the removable link. Now every robot has to have one of these, and it's effectively like the switch or the key to each robot. Now we're going to have a look at what a removable link is, where they should be in the robot, how they should work, and then we'll come back and have a look at Terahertz, see where they've implemented it into here. In the rules of fighting robots, every robot must have one of these. Now this is effectively just a connector with a loop of wire, and this connects directly in line with the batteries, into the positive side of the batteries. So when you remove this from the robot, the rest of the battery power doesn't get through to the components, so the whole robot's dead. So if we have a look here, we've got our batteries. This is our power source for the robot. We obviously have positive and negative coming out of the batteries. The negative we've got going to our components, which are here, and the positive we've actually got fed off over here. So this is our positive that's come out of the battery. Now at the moment it just comes in here, and we use this removable link here to connect the power back up, so it goes back down here to the components. So you notice when I plug this in, the power's come back through here, it's lighting up our power lights and it's arming up the components. When a robot's in battle, at the end of the battle, we can pull this out and the robot will die, so no more power goes to the robot. So another important factor is the robot's power light. Every robot has to have this. Now this is a light that needs to be clearly visible on your robot. It can't be behind things, it needs to be surface mounted. So when the power's into the robot, the lights come on and we know that the robot's active. So here we've got our LEDs. So as soon as we plug our link in, as soon as we arm up the robots, the power light comes on. That's the main thing. Now, as soon as we pull the link out, the lights go out, and we know that that robot's dead. Okay, so let's take a look at Terahertz now and see where the link and the power light is on here. So an important factor of the link is that it can't be in the way of weaponry. So we know that Terahertz's axe comes over here, so we couldn't put the link here or anywhere around the front here. So John's positioned it just in the back here. It's out the way of the main firing arm, and it's also out the way of the drive system. The power light is behind one of the clear polycarbonate panels here, so we can see it very nice and clearly. As soon as that link goes in, the power light comes up here, so we know it's armed.